Hello everyone, this is Shujoy from Seven Ports Academy. Today we will going to see how we can use the Google as a keyword research tool. So as we know that Google is a very popular search engine, and we can use the Google as our one of the premier keyword research tool. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, it's better to go with a Google incognito window because in a normal window you will find your pre-search history that may affect your Google autocomplete suggestions. So it's better to go with a new incognito window. So first, go to new incognito window and go to the Google site first. Google.co.in. There you go, and now you can uh, do a keyword research using Google. So let's see, suppose my primary keyword is digital marketing. So this is the thing, this is the digital marketing, and you will find a lot of suggestions like digital marketing course in Kolkata, digital marketing course, digital marketing company in Kolkata, digital marketing meaning digital marketing agency. These all are the Google auto complete or auto suggestions. Now you can use this in many ways, like suppose you type digital marketing course in Calcutta. Suppose you delete the course and you will suppose you delete the course word and you suppose do the underscore here and give it space, and you will find a lot of words like digital marketing course in Kolkata, digital marketing company in Kolkata, digital marketing jobs in Kolkata in the place of underscore. So you'll find a lot of keyword research, a lot of keywords here. So in another way you can search, like first in before digital marketing, you will, if you put the underscore and do the space, and you'll find a lot of power words like best digital marketing course, best digital marketing institute, like that. So in this way you can do a keyword research with the Google. So it's a very effective tool for your keyword research. So this is it for today, and thank you so much for being here, and please like and subscribe our channel, and do hit the notification bell for more update. Thank you.